Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Gladiator. The Jeep Gladiator is just the off-road truck that Jeep fans have been waiting on. Enjoy the functionality of a truck while retaining the off-road capability. You'll fall in love with this Jeep Gladiator. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, 8 speakers. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.